Hello children, how are you? I am Srimati B. Anitha, working as a school assistant English at ZPHS Gadepally, Warangal Mandal, Warangal Urban. Today, let us read the lesson The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse related to the 7th class. So part 1, Town Mouse and the Country Mouse, class 7, unit 1, A reading. Yes. Children, the town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. The town mouse wrote a letter to the country mouse. So one day the country mouse got this letter from his cousin, the town mouse. So the town mouse was ill and its doctor advised him to take rest in the countryside. So receiving this letter, the country mouse invited the town mouse to its country. Yes, now let us learn the meanings of the few words in this letter. Country, the meaning of country is village. Affectionately, lovingly. Pack, to put clothes etc. into a bag. Uncomfortable, unpleasant. Grumble, to complain about something in a bad tempered way. Chug, to move making the sounds of an engine. Dreadful, very bad, unpleasant. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was very bright and hot. It was very uncomfortable in the train. So it wished to have, it was an air-conditioned coach. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. The town mouse was very uncomfortable in the train because it was a very hot day and there was no air condition in the coach. However, he could not do anything, so he grumbled to himself and the train reached the country. So the town mouse reached the country and the country mouse was there in the railway station to receive the town mouse. So now children, when the town mouse reached the country, it was very thirsty. So it asked for some lemonade and some juice, ice cold juice. So as it was very thirsty, it asked for lemonade and ice cold juice. But what did the country mouse do is, it offered coconut water and normal water. The country mouse offered coconut water and normal water to the town mouse. The town mouse was not happy because he had the habit of drinking lemonade, fruit juices, etc. So it was not happy with the coconut water and normal water. It used to drink ice cold water. Now the town mouse was very hungry. It was very hungry, so the town mouse wanted to eat something. So the country mouse, what did it offer? It offered tender bit of sugarcane and root vegetables, all the roots. You can see roots here. There is carrot, beetroot, all the root vegetables and sugarcane. Then the town mouse was not happy with the food because the town mouse wanted to eat bread, cheese, chocolate and butter, jam, all these things. It wanted to eat delicious fruits, but it was not happy with the food that was served by the country mouse. So the country mouse always ate tender sugarcane and all roots. So it was not satisfied with the food also. Now yes, now as it was as it wanted to sleep. It was night and it wanted to sleep. So what did the country mouse ask? Where did the country mouse ask him to sleep? The country mouse said that it slept in a hole under the ground. So it was not at all happy. The town mouse was not at all happy to sleep on the ground, which was very hard and very cold. So in its country, it slept in a kitchen cupboard. The town mouse slept in a kitchen cupboard. So it was not at all happy in a town. And what did the town mouse do is, the town mouse was not at all happy in the town. So because there was no noise, and there were no lights in the country. There was no noise and no lights, and they did not like the food. It did not like the water because it did not have the fruit juices, and it did not. The place where it slept was very strange, and it was not satisfied with the country, and it wanted to stay there for 7 days. But the very next day, the town mouse packed all his bags and said, my cousin, I do not like to stay in this country. I like my town. I do not like to eat this type of food and this type of drinks. So let me go to my town. It packed all his bags and went back to the town. So now after reaching the town, a few days later, the country mouse wrote a letter to his cousin. How are you, my cousin? You came here, you wanted to stay here for 7 days, but for a week, but you have gone. How is your health now? I want to visit you to inquire about your health. So the country mouse has written a letter to the town mouse. So now this is the lesson of the first part of the lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. In its first part, what the things we have learnt is the country mouse lived in a hole on the ground. So the country mouse lived in a hole on the ground. See children, how is it enjoying nicely on the ground? And here the country mouse drank coconut water and normal water. It ate fresh and tender sugarcane and root vegetables. So it ate all raw food. So the country mouse was very happy in a country, but the town mouse did not like the country as it was very quiet and there was no noise of the vehicles and anything, and it went back to the town. Now let us do a small assignment. Why did the town mouse come to the country? Children, why did the town mouse come to the country? Because the town mouse fell ill and the doctor advised to stay a few days in the country. What did the country mouse drink? The country mouse drank coconut water and normal water. Now, what is question 3, children? What did the country mouse eat? The country mouse ate tender sugarcane and root vegetables. Yes. Where did that country mouse sleep? The country mouse slept in a hole on the ground. Now, did the town mouse like the country? No, the town mouse did not like the country because it could not eat the raw vegetables and fruits. It did not like to drink the normal water and coconut water. It did not like the sugarcane and tender roots, and also it was not happy to sleep on the ground, which was very cold and hard. Okay, children, I think you understood the first part of the lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse, and try to write these answers in your book. Thank you.